You are going to love the 2022 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.